Let's admit it, our houses are not neat, clean and Instagram worthy all of the times. The real moment of panic is when we get a call that someone is coming over to our house in an hour or so. And that's when we start panicking, when we will clean the house, make it tidy and cook something for them, get ourselves ready. All of the things start jumbling up in our mind. Exactly same thing happened last week when suddenly somebody called and said that I'll come over to your house. I have always believed that my house is not Instagram worthy or neat and clean all of the times, but if I need to, I can make it guest ready in under 15 minutes. But with baby in the house, I don't know in 15 minutes of concentrated time also I'll get or not. But I had multiple hacks up my sleeve which helped me make the house guest ready in under 15 minutes. So today I am going to share that process with you and also give you my hacks. So let's get started. First thing that I did was entering the house as a guest or as a third person and just looking around trying to see where exactly the clutter is. We are so used to our house many times, so we don't realize that there is a clutter somewhere because we are seeing it every day. If you think about any time when guests come into our house for a couple of hours, the places that they generally see are entryway, living room, dining room or dining table where we go sit, have a chit chat over a coffee or tea, and then the bathroom which they generally use. And generally if you see, it boils down to some high traffic areas where we are habitual to keep our things when we enter the house or when we want to keep something from our hand. For me, those high traffic areas are generally the entryway, TV console table, sofa, dining table or bed. So that was the time to clean all of those. I started with entryway. Whatever things were very near to their original places and I could keep them without moving much, I kept them into their place within seconds. Other things I just picked up and kept somewhere out of sight. Now I was not saying that I will not keep them in their place anytime. I was just saying not now because I don't have enough time. After the entryway, I moved on to the living room. There are many things that were scattered on the TV console table and around the living room. So I just grabbed a basket and I picked up all of the things that did not belong there and moved them into a place which is out of sight. This is a quick hack because otherwise if you want to keep them in their place, you won't be able to do it under 5 minutes or 10 minutes. This takes only couple of minutes. Third thing was cleaning up the sofa. On the sofa, it's important to look really hard and thoroughly because you don't want the guest to sit on something and feel uncomfortable. So make sure that there is nothing small knickknacks even on the sofa and then fluff the cushions. After that, it was dining table. Dining table, two things are important. One is there are no stains on the dining table, food stains mainly. And second thing is there are no smelly things. So this banana goes out of the way and all of the things are arranged in a better way, so dining table looks inviting. One hack that I generally use which makes the house feel clean and tidy is to have empty surfaces. If you don't have anything on the surface, it makes the house much more tidier than it actually is. When I cleaned the dining table, I could have looked at the kitchen, but I did not go there because I knew that anyway I have to cook something for the guest. So that's when I can clean the kitchen a little and it will become more presentable. So I moved to the bedroom through which people will go to the bathroom. It was important to make the bed clean. Some things to make sure in the bathroom are: one, the mirror is clean. Second, there are no stains on the toilet and on the sink. Third, you have enough hand wash so people can wash their hands. And fourth, you have a napkin for them to wipe their hands. That's all. Just 2-3 minutes and your bathroom will be tidy and clean. Last thing that I did after this was to make sure that anything that was non-negotiable task that I complete right away. In this time it was watering the plants because otherwise I would have missed it for the day. So that's all I did and my house looked much more presentable than actually originally it was within 15 minutes. You can also use some fragrance or something that will make your house smell nice. So that's all today. Till next time. Bye bye.